If you like to collect, you could not miss this good thing. Whether you like to collect red wine, jewelry, or figures and dolls, you must buy this mini track light. Having it means to give your collection a second life. Let's take a look at the lighting effect first. After installing it, the collection looks more expensive. The track lights does not take much space at all. And there are many installation methods such as glue, magnetic suction, and punctions, and it can be easily operated by one person. CHISWEAR has been exporting LED lights for 20 years, and the quality is trustworthy. Don't hesitate. Come and arrange for your precious collection.
Learn more, like, follow, comment.